Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Lexus IS 350 F Sport. This one's white. Underneath the hood's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 311 horsepower and 280 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. F Sport badging on the side. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Come around back. F Sport all-wheel drive IS 350 badging. Open up the tailgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist. Open up the door. We got power windows. Hopping in, we got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, rear view backup camera, climate controls, heated and cooled seats, a Mark Levinson premium surround sound system, 6-speed automatic transmission. We've got our eco and sports mode. This Lexus has 9,987 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Lexus IS 350 F Sport, check out feldmannimports.com.